Welcome back to our channel. This is step 4 of our garage to kitchen conversion series. If you haven't watched step 3, be sure to check out our previous video before continuing. In this phase, we focus on framing, HVAC work, plumbing rough-ins, and electrical rough-ins. Once the framing is complete, we move into the mechanical work, and we usually start with HVAC. Before doing any HVAC work, it's important to consult with your HVAC contractor or mechanical engineer to confirm whether your existing system can handle the added kitchen space. If the system doesn't have enough capacity, you may need to install a mini split unit. In this project, the existing HVAC system had sufficient capacity, so we simply extended the ductwork into the new kitchen. After the HVAC extension is complete, we move on to rough-in plumbing and rough-in electrical. Once all rough-ins, HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, are finished, we schedule the county inspection. If everything meets code, the inspector will approve the work, and you'll be ready to install insulation. After the insulation is installed, you'll call the county again for the close-in inspection. During this inspection, the inspector checks to make sure the insulation is properly installed, with no gaps or missing areas. If everything passes, you're clear to move on to the next step and continue with the rest of your kitchen conversion. Important tips and common mistakes to avoid. Before we move on, here are some important tips and common mistakes homeowners should keep in mind. Tip number 1, always confirm your HVAC capacity first. Before starting framing or plumbing, make sure your system can support the new kitchen. This helps prevent costly changes later. Tip number 2, get all required permits before starting work. Garage conversions typically require building, electrical, plumbing, and mechanical permits. Skipping this step can delay your project. Tip number 3, plan your kitchen layout early. Decide where appliances, outlets, and plumbing fixtures will go before rough-in work begins. Moving pipes or wiring later adds time and cost. Tip number 4, keep a contingency budget. Garage slabs often require leveling or trenching for new drains. Set aside an extra 10 to 15% of your budget for unexpected issues. Tip number 5, hire licensed professionals. Licensed electricians, plumbers, and HVAC contractors ensure the work passes inspection and meets county code. Common mistakes homeowners make. Mistake number 1, underestimating electrical needs. Kitchens require multiple dedicated circuits for appliances like microwaves, dishwashers, refrigerators, disposals, lighting, and more. Poor planning often leads to failed inspections. Mistake number 2, ignoring ventilation. Every kitchen needs proper exhaust ventilation. Many homeowners forget to plan for an exterior vented range hood. Mistake number 3, using low-quality insulation. Garages are often poorly insulated, and cutting corners here leads to uncomfortable temperatures and higher energy bills. Mistake number 4, poor lighting planning. Not adding enough recessed lighting or under-cabinet lighting can make the kitchen feel dark and uninviting. Mistake number 5, not measuring the space accurately. Buying appliances or cabinets without confirming exact measurements can cause clearance issues, especially with refrigerators and cabinet openings. Always measure width, height, depth, and required clearances before purchasing. And those are some of the key tips and mistakes to keep in mind when converting a garage into a kitchen. Looking to refresh your home? At DC Home Remodeling, we specialize in turning your ideas into reality. Whether it's a remodel or home addition, we're here to make your dream space come alive. With our expert craftsmanship and personalized service, we'll work closely with you to create a home you'll truly love. Why hire us? Enjoy expert craftsmanship, personalized designs, timely project completion, quality materials, and increased home value. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. First, skipping proper planning can lead to unexpected costs down the line. Second, not sticking to a realistic budget often ends up in overspending. Third, choosing low-quality materials might save you money now, but can lead to expensive repairs later. Fourth, ignoring local building codes can get you into trouble with fines and delays. Finally, trying to handle everything yourself without professional help can result in costly mistakes. We take pride in every detail because we treat every home like our own. For a stress-free experience with a reliable contractor, call us at 703-9803-266 or visit www.dc-homeremodeling.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We look forward to helping make your home more beautiful, functional, and valuable.